Hello and welcome back to another Tuesday episode of World Traveler Cooking. Today we've reached the 500 subscriber mark, and so I'm starting off a series on French daughter sauces. So once a month I will be doing a recipe for a French daughter sauce, and we will go through these. I'll cover all of the major French daughter sauces except two of them, and those are demi-glace and marchand de vin. And both of those will be set for the 1,000 subscriber mark just because they are so complex. All of the other ones, though, I'll be doing once a month. If we hit other subscriber thresholds, I will intermix the celebratory ones for those in the meantime. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do poached fish in a tomato caper sauce. We will take our French tomato sauce that we made before, and we will add some capers to it. It's really very simple. The point here is just to show that the point of daughter sauces is to extend mother sauces, and how to think about a daughter sauce or a parent sauce as a matrix for how to go forward. So I only have 3 ingredients today. This will be a relatively short video. I have this French tomato sauce that I made before. A link will be in the description for that. Some capers, and have some fish fillets here. And you could use any white fish like a sole or whatever, should be fine. So next up, I'm just going to add some capers, and then I'll spoon some of the tomato sauce over, and then we will go ahead and get ready to put this in the oven. So let's get started. So first step is I'm just going to take some capers. I'm going to sprinkle them on the fish. And the capers are going to give a very lovely flavor to the fish. Then I'm going to take some of this lovely French tomato sauce, and I am going to layer it on top of the capers, on top of the fish. And once I've more or less layered it all, then I'm going to more thickly blanket it, and it's fine to have a bit of the liquid running off to the side. So that's what I'm going to do. This is used about half of my tomato sauce, so I guess I'll have enough to do this one more time. And I'm making this for 4 people. So that's that. Next, this will go in the oven at 200 or so for about half an hour. So I'll be back in half an hour. And here we have it out of the oven. It may actually even be a little bit overcooked, so I'm going to try putting this up, and I will serve it with some bread. And here I have the fish with the capers. I'm going to put a little butter on the bread, and then we'll do the taste test. And now for the taste test. I'm going to try just a bit of this fish here. Moist, rich. The tomato really accentuates the fish. It's amazing, and the capers help out a lot too. This is delicious. Now, if you find this content interesting, please like, share, and subscribe. Helps me know to do more videos like this. And if you make a dish like this and you do it a little differently, I'd love to hear how. Always enjoy those kinds of videos, those kinds of comments. Finally, recipes in the description. Bon appetit, and see you next week.